Assalamu alaikum students. Today is Thursday, 9th April 2020. And today in our SST's lesson, we are going to discuss topographic map. Today I'll teach you what is a topographic map and what are the features of this map. For this one, I would request you to open up your book, page number 3. Yes, on page number 3, let's take a closer look to this map. Yes, this is the map which is called topographic map. So what is a topographic map? Topographic map show the shapes of the land and mountains, valleys and plains by means of some contour lines. You see these twisting and wavy lines. Do you see that? All of these look very squibbly. And these lines are called contour lines. These lines are very special and distinctive feature of topographic map. But these are not straight lines. These are wavy. These are twisting. These lines are the key feature of topographic map. And these lines basically are showing the shape of Earth's surface. You see, these lines shows us the elevation of the land. Elevation is called the height of a place from the ground or sea level. It is the height above sea level. And you see all of these lines. Yes, these are the index lines and all of these are the contour lines. So we can say that a topographic map is a map which shows us the elevation and it gives us information about the elevation and geographical positions of the earth. So now let's read out some of the information which is given in our textbook. Topographic map. These kind of maps shows the location and shape of the features of Earth's surface, and these includes natural features such as mountains and lakes. As I told you that these kind of maps actually gives us information about the lakes, valleys, hills, mountains, and they can also include things that humans have built. These kind of maps give us the information about that height which are man-made as well. And actually topography concerns the shape and character of Earth's surface. So we can say that the contour lines are the key features of this kind of map. Contour lines to show the shape and elevation of an area. Lines that are close together are steep land, and those far apart indicate flat land. So here we can derive a short question from our text, that is, what is topographic map? And second short question that we have prepared from our reading is that elevation. Define the term elevation. Elevation means the height of a place from the ground or sea level. So what is elevation? Elevation is the rise of something. For example, mountains. Mountains have elevation. It is defined as the height above the ground or other surface. Elevation is the distance above sea level. Yes. So remember this point, that elevation is the distance above sea level. Elevation is the distance above sea level, and it is always measured in meters or feet. So for your knowledge, you can write that it is measured in feet or meters. Yes. So this is the question box. Define the term, or you can write, what do you mean by elevation? Elevation means the height of a place from the ground or sea level, and it is measured in feet or meters. So elevation is a rise of something, and you can say that it is the distance above sea level. And topographic map shows the elevation using contour lines. And what are the contour lines? Contour lines are the fine lines, the squibbly lines on a topographic map, and it shows the elevation. These lines shows the elevation. All of these squibbly, twisting, wavy lines are showing us the elevation. So you can use a post-it note here, and it will remind you that here we have derived two short questions. Define the terms elevation and contour line. So I hope that this review of topographic map will help you a lot to understand what a topographic map is. So it's the time to take a look at the diary. Today's diary is Prepared Test, chapter number 1, page 1 and 2. MCQs will be given from the reading. Yes, and this test will be considered as objective type test. MCQs will be given from your reading. You have to read the text and you have to learn the information that is given on page number 1 and 2. And let me recall that on page number 1 and 2 of the book, we have discussed climate map, we have discussed globe map, and we have discussed road map and resource and economic maps. Yes, so MCQs will be given from that reading. Thank you very much. Look after yourself. Stay home. Stay safe.